The power of the default process in administrative law. What happens when they don't respond to your notice? You win by default. In this video, we uncover how the default process in administrative law can become your most powerful remedy, turning silence into judgment and unrebutted claims into lawful truth. In the realm of administrative remedy, the default process is a potent mechanism for establishing standing and securing judgment outside the judicial system. When a properly served notice, affidavit, or conditional acceptance goes unrebutted within a specified time frame, typically 10 to 30 days, a default occurs. This default forms the foundation of a lawful and enforceable agreement, recognized by commercial law as a binding contract through acquiescence. The process mirrors judicial procedure but is carried out privately, relying on documentation, mailing proofs, and notarized records. A series of notices, commonly three: the original notice, a notice of fault, and a notice of default and opportunity to cure, ensures due process and gives the respondent fair opportunity to respond. If no response is provided, the final notice perfects the claim and allows for recording or enforcement. This lawful procedure turns silence into consent and transforms paper into power. Footnote. This section explains how the administrative default process operates as a lawful private remedy through silence and unrebutted notices, leading to enforceable commercial contracts.